If I wanted to get my first paying user in just 4 steps, this is the fastest way to do it. This is what I would do. The first thing is you need to define your ICP, find your ideal customer profile. So for this video, I'm going to talk about an app that helps people get deep sleep. I need to talk about who is suffering, why they need it. Is it sleep enthusiasts? Is it insomniacs? I'll make a separate video on how to define your ideal customer profile, but you need to focus on who is suffering. Now you need to fish where they are. This will probably be Reddit, it may be Instagram, it may be YouTube. That depends on your ICP, okay? Where do they stay? Where do they spend their most time? They probably have communities of people that are sleep enthusiasts or insomniacs. You need to spend time there, okay? Really spend time and not just build something and spam a link, but you need to create value. And how do you create value? You wear their jersey, okay? So you need to support them. You need to help them, okay? If you want to receive value, you have to give value. Ask them questions, get to know them, talk to them, figure out their pain points, say things that work for you that might work for them. Create value, keep creating value, okay? You want to make sure that when it's time to ask them for value, you've created more than enough value. So you need to wear their jersey, literally be on their team, help them, support them, okay? Your app wants to do that, so you need to do that. And then the last thing, once you have their trust, once you've created value, it's now time for them to give you value, and the value will come for pre-orders. You don't have to build everything, okay? You could do waitlists, right, which is free. I'm a good advocate for waitlists, but if you can get them to pay, okay, they can say, hey, you can do a demo, and then you can say the first users get, $5, $1 for the first user. Make it as cheap as you can possibly make it. But why I want you to do this is I want them to have skin in the game. Unfortunately, people like to talk, but if they really need your solution, they would pay for it. They will part ways with their money for it. So you want to do a demo or wait list, some form of getting emails, which is good, but you also want to get pre-orders. You want them to get some skin in the game, and that has validated. So once you have all these things, you're free to build, okay? You have an audience, you know where they are, you know what they look like, you know how to create value for them. But if you haven't done this, please do not build anything, okay? I don't want you to play the lottery. I want you to use a framework that works, and this is the fastest way to get your first paid user, even without building anything.